How to create a MCC account in Google Ads. This is what we're gonna discuss in today's video. Hi guys, we are back again with another video, and in this video it is about a tutorial on how to create a MCC account. So let's first understand what is a MCC account. It is a powerful tool for managing multiple AdWords accounts from a single dashboard. In this video, we will explain what an MCC account is, the benefit of creating a MCC account, and how to create your own MCC account. So firstly, what is MCC? An MCC account is special type of Google Ads account that allow you to manage multiple ads account from one place. This can be useful if you are an agency or a freelancer who manages several clients' accounts, or if you have multiple businesses or websites that you want advertise with Google Ads. With an MCC account, you can access multiple accounts with a single login and monitor performance and statistics across all accounts, and create and edit campaigns, ad groups, and ads for multiple accounts at one setup. Set up billing and payment options for each account separately. Invite other users to manage or view your account with different levels of access. Secondly, what are the benefits of MCC account? Efficiency. You can save time and efforts by managing all your accounts in one place without logging in and out of different accounts. Secondly, control. You can have full control over each account setting and performance and monitor them easily. Thirdly, collaboration. You can invite other users to work on your accounts and share data and insights. Then fourthly, customization. You can customize your MCC account with labels, filters, and reporting tools to suit your needs. Then how to create MCC account now. Let's discuss how to create your own MCC account. Here are the steps. Step 1. Sign into your Google Ads account you want to use as a manager account. Step 2. Visit the manager account page, then click on create a manager account. Step 3. Name your manager account. This is the name that your merchants see as their manager in the access and security tab of the Google Ads. Step 4. Choose how to use the account. If you need to manage sub accounts on behalf of other advertisers, choose manage other people's account. Step 5. Select your country and time zone. The time zone you select is used for reporting and billing, and you can't change it later. We recommend that you choose the time zone your business is based in. Step 6. Choose a permanent currency for your account billing. We recommend that you choose the currency you use for your business. Sub accounts are built in their own currencies. So that is it. In this video, you have learned how to create a MCC account, what are the benefits and what are the uses of MCC account. So stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.